Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable Wake On LAN in Windows 11. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your search bar and search for Control Panel. Here you can see Control Panel. You have to tap on this. Now go to Network and Internet. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. Now you have to go Change Adapter Settings. Now right click on Net Adapter. Now go to Properties and click on Configuration. Now click on Power Management. Here you have to turn on the button of Allow this device to wake the computer. Now turn off the button of Only allow a magic packet to wake the computer. Now click on OK. So this is how you can enable Wake On LAN in Windows 11. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.